So this is a short module on how to set up a Gmail email account, and you must be ready to put into the application the personal details that will identify you as a client of Google and Gmail. So now let's look at a Gmail sign up, and if you do a Google search for Gmail sign up, these are the options that you've got, and top of the list is create your Google account, and here is the screen. So now you must enter your personal details into the boxes provided by Gmail, and if you select a name account that is already part of Gmail, then that will be refused, and you should then add others until you find one that A, you like, and B, is acceptable by Gmail. Next, and you'll need to agree to terms of service. So all the terms of service are in here, so we can go down with the slider. You have to tick the box that says you agree, and you agree to them processing your information through the privacy policy, and there's no big deal on that. It depends how sensitive you are to the whole political issues of privacy. So click on account. So it's going to include some personalization features, and they might want to send me some personalized ads, so I can change all that later. So if I can click on confirm. So here are the sign-in and security settings for my new account, and the one way of avoiding typing passwords is to use your phone to sign in if you want to use that. But the one I'm particularly interested in is two-step verification. At the minute that's off. And what this does, it means it adds another layer of security into your Google account, and I would strongly recommend that you go for that, and it will then keep the bad guys out, as it says here, and we can get started. So now you should complete the details needed for two-level authentication, which typically will include your mobile or cell phone number, so that Google then can send you a message if they've got any issues with the authenticity of what is going on in respect of your account. So that's the end of this short course on how to set up a Gmail account.